There's one plugin that's almost mandatory these days, and that's mobile compatibility. More than 40%, and it's going to go over 50% very soon of surfing in general is done through mobile devices. That's why I'm going to type in right now in the search window in my new plugin page, WP Touch. It's a very, very cool and very simple to use, which is also important plugin that does just one thing, and that's create a mobile version of your website. Install now. You see WP Touch. You have to install this or something similar very, very early on because your website just has to function with mobile phones. And I'm talking about a mobile specific version that will enable viewers on mobile to see a different version of the site, but still very legible and easy to use. So I'm going to go into WP Touch settings. I'm just going to go over with you simple settings that a person can see. By the way, there's a pro version that can also work with the tablets, but let's stay with the free version. Okay. First of all, language, we can leave the language at automatically detected. The home page, and that's very interesting. WP Touch homepage. It can be the regular homepage, or it can be one of the specific pages. Let's say that you want to push your new listings. So I can decide that the for sale page would be the default page that a mobile surfer would view, or just leave it as the regular home page. Site title, again, something that people will see when they go on their mobiles. We can exclude from the mobile version several categories or tags by using their IDs. Okay, the tag ID or the category ID. Don't see any reason to do it, but you can. You want to justify your text to the left. And you can go over all the settings. I would again leave everything checked. Of course, you can disable the categories or the tags or the author's names from showing. You can change the footer message. Okay, we can decide that the footer message will be something like copyright YDA. Okay. There are several advanced options, allow zooming on content, which is not necessary, by the way, when you have a mobile specific version, all kind of stuff. And the last thing you can do, if you want, is to create an icon, a specific icon. You see the dimensions here. It's like something like 60 on 60 pixels. Upload this icon, and then once you upload the icon, you can decide that it will accompany a certain page. You can see which logo you want on your home page. Right now you have the list of all the logos that we've just seen up here, or these bunch, like something like 28, 30 logos. And if you add your logo, again 60 on 60 pixels, then it will also become available here on this list, and it can become your default logo for your homepage on your mobile version. One last thing, you can use, it's a little bit advanced, you can use your mobile website for Google AdSense, which means running some advertising. You need to create a Google API. That's something completely different right now. I'm going to go over it. I just want to keep it very, very simple. You download WP Touch, you install it, you activate it, you go over very, very basic settings, and the magic, which I can't show you right now on this video because this is a desktop computer, but if you go on a website that is mobile compatible, like my website, yourdigitalagent.net, if you go on this website, you will see a completely different web version for mobile, and it's all using WP Touch. I use it on all my websites, and I think you should too.